Hi everyone, my name is Neha and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve ratio problems using ratio boxes. Let's get started. First of all, what is a ratio? A ratio is the relationship between two proportions. For example, 2 to 5 or 4 to 5 or maybe 6 to 11. These are all proportions. Over here, I have a simple problem. The ratio of apples to bananas is 2 to 5. If there are 20 apples, how many bananas are there? The first step to solving this problem with the ratio box is to draw the ratio box. We first start by making a rectangle. Then we make another smaller rectangle on top of this rectangle, like so. Now, we divide both of these rectangles into 4 parts with 2 lines, like this. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to label the top rectangle with this. So the left-hand side is going to be called ratios, and the right-hand side is going to be called the actual count. The actual count is going to be the actual number, not the ratio, and the left-hand side, which says ratios, is going to be the ratio between both of the items. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label the top part of the second rectangle apples, and then I'm going to label the bottom part of the second rectangle bananas, because these are the two items that share the ratio. So now all we do is we fill in the details that were given. So it says that the ratio of apples to bananas is 2 to 5. So we put the ratio as 2 to 5. Now, under actual count, it says there are 20 apples. So I'm going to put 20 in the first row. But it never says anything about how many bananas there are. It says that we must find the number of bananas there are. So we're just going to put this as x. And we have to find what x is equal to. So, in this problem, what we're going to do is we are going to use a method called cross multiplying. So, we just cross multiply both of these numbers. We do 5 times 20 and we do 2 times x. When we do that, we get 5 times 20 is equal to 100. Then we have an equal sign, and 2 times x is equal to 2x. Now, we just solve this as an equation. Since the sign of 2 on the right-hand side of the equation is a multiplying sign, when we take it to the other side of this equation, it becomes a dividing by sign. So, therefore, we get 100 divided by 2 is equal to x, and x is equal to 50. Therefore, the number of bananas that we have is 50. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye!